Thank you, Nitin. Really appreciate all the effort that you have put in for this course, and also having me for this. It's been really enlightening and a great learning experience for me. Don't worry, I'll leave a written testimonial as well. It won't just be word of mouth here. I'll definitely write up, and definitely if anyone is looking for help in such a similar situation, I'll definitely recommend them to. Get in touch with HRs or you or any other colleague as well. But thank you. It has been really useful. And to everyone else as well in the group, it has been an amazing experience to get to know all of you, some of you a bit more personally through the sessions and all of that as well. And I believe some of us may be in touch as well to continue with the practice and all of that. So do feel free to reach out as well. I will also try my best to reach out. And right, 10 out of 10. Thank you so much.
Cool. So takeaways, one takeaways quickly, please, and then we are done for the day. Actually, we are done for the course.
Practice.
Okay, my takeaway. Okay, sorry. Yeah, please go ahead.
No, I just want to say practice करने का confidence बहुत ज़्यादा आ गया है. Like to do this anchoring seem as a boost for me. So obviously तो मैं कर ही रहा था. Something as a कि मतलब ये तो major takeaway है basically मेरे लिए.
So anchoring and confidence to work. Major takeaways.
मतलब मेरे को लग रहा है अभी वो इमोशनल प्रॉब्लम है ना, मैं बचना चाहता था कि ये जो लोग बोल रहे होते हैं ना कि कैसे होगा, मैं वेंडन पे अटक जा रहा था और वेंडन बहुत लोग आके बोले थे नहीं हो रहा है कुछ चीज़ों में, तो स्टिल आई नो कि मैं कैसे प्रोसेस कंटिन्यू करूँ बिकॉज एटलीस्ट जब तक गोल अचीव हो रहा है दैट इज फाइन. सो बट अभी मेरे पास और कॉन्क्रीट आंसर है. ऐसे तो इतना प्रॉब्लम आते ही नहीं, पीपल आर टू मोटिवेटेड टू वर्क एक्चुअली, बट आई थॉट कि आई कैन मेक इट फास्टर.
But so the takeaway would be faster, anchoring and confidence.
या कॉन्फिडेंस की हाँ मैं इसके भी पैसे चार्ज कर सकता हूँ.
Perfect. Cool.
Like say my takeaway is a better understanding of SoftC. The SoftC I have learned, of course, consistently with every CHP level. SoftC was included, but still the understanding of this basic foundation thing to go ahead with any kind of level is I learned really very efficiently this time.
Brilliant. Perfect. Sania, you were saying something?
Yes, so it's been quite a while since I've done level 1, and I think a lot of the way things have changed for definitely the better, and this is like more impactful, I felt. And although I missed some parts because of other reasons, but whatever I heard is more impactful, and I felt like more confident this time around. Like the last time around, because we started with like the hand induction thing, and probably because I'm so resistant, that didn't happen with me, so that was one block for me. And like initially in this, you just started with the process first, so that hands-on experience and like the practical aspect first, I felt that was more impactful, and that is why this has been like really great session, although it was even really good at that time. But now, because although I knew it, I usually get really bored listening to things I already know, but this time around it was like really interesting, although I knew the content.
Perfect. Brilliant.
So yeah, thank you for that, and thank you for conducting this, and thank you for allowing all of us who have already done it to take part again.
Yes.
Yes.
Aarti, takeaway?
Yeah, takeaway is the complete course, because that time I was not very confident when I have done, and I have some physical problem also that time when I did first time. So this time, yes, I'm even more confident and can apply in my own life, as well as can help others as well. So overall, yes, and the process has changed little bit for that I also learned. Yeah, overall this beneficial thing, and thank you so much for this allowing us to just part of this to revise everything.
Perfect. Thank you. Kiran?
Thank you.
Srividya?
Yeah, I think from what I did in 2017, and I don't know, I definitely found a huge difference from the basic method of SoftC to all the added anchors. I think it gives a lot of power and a punch to to the whole thing, because you feel that emotion, even though, you can't actually experience it sometimes because you've never seen that kind of future before. So it kind of gives the punch. And I felt that I could imbibe it and understand it better, maybe because I even finished my residency. So I think that also added on, because the concepts I could understand from the psychological theories also, and see how beautifully it has been applied. The principles of classical conditioning and everything, you've applied it very beautifully. And I could relate how Bandler and Grinder, I don't know, there are a group of psychiatrists who feel that NLP is bogus. And now I saw that how Bandler and Grinder have actually applied those principles only, and kind of tweaked it into a much better thing. So I find it very, now I feel like laughing at those people and I'm like, kya yaar, tum log samajhte hi nahi ho, So yeah, it was good. Yeah.
Penny,
So
take
for
away.
me, it was like learning again, like doing my level 1 again, because I did my level 1 when I was in SY and I didn't knew anything. Like from TY, I used to understand like how do we apply these techniques and all of those things. But in SY, I just wanted to try some therapy and you were there. So I just joined and it was like eye-opening for me. But then I didn't learn as much. Like I could not relate it with more with psychology then. Matlab, I didn't know how to apply these techniques, but now that I know how to do and how to apply, I learned it from beginning. And for me, like in the beginning of this course, I was like script hone ke baad bhi I was pausing and I was like shivering and I was like barabar hoga ki nahi hoga. But then I after anchored without the script, I was like ho jayega aaram se bindas.
Good. Nice. Brilliant.
I hope it does not